Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Uh-oh. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. Let's go. Let's go. Latisse, Coke Zero. Good morning. Shout out to PSG. Damon, Yanthro. Let's get it. Pipeline. Congrats on the leaderboard. Jedi's Kirk. Let's get it. Yeah. Math is the math. Deneth, Mark, LeBig, Hakan, Morty, Latisse, Il Pasoto, Maxi Trader. Let's go. Kimba AI shoutouts. RMX, Indo Lion, Daydream. Good morning. Maybe Band-Aid. Let's get it. G Jones, I19, Arepo. Thank you for the resub. James Rico, Mark Burgix. How we doing? Toddler, shout outs. Pedro Pimenta, good morning. Shout outs calling new. Jamaica, Mr. Larry's. Joopy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who juicing? Nitrogen. All NYC, Morty. Toddler, taking profit. I got to get all my iPads on. Ace, good morning. How are you doing? Taking profit. Let's get it. Let's get it. Well, we're back above VWAP. Back above VWAP. Let's go, Toddler. I know, Jamaica. I gotta fire them up. They're getting updated. Who juicing? Got my Kool-Aid. Let's get it. RMX. RMX, you raise a excellent point. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation dashboard. So the dashboard, we have a stream schedule. There's all kinds of juicy things been cooking up. The team has been doing some really big things, and Kimba's been taking a little bit of a break. He updated the Discord yesterday, last night. Hands up if you read the update. Cytilix, let's go. Yeah, and we've been holding it down since he's taken his little break from the screens. Holding it down the best that we can. You know, he can't be replaced, but we can only hope to, you know, emulate his energy and everything that he gives. Lentero, let's go. Mark. Yeah, that was a great message that he sent, wasn't it? It was nice catch up. Shout out Tuesday. Shout outs Cage. Shout out Cyper, who caught the game show last night. The game show V2. Let's go. Yeah, check the Discord. Nice message in there. You know, if you wait until after the stream, I won't blame you. It's quite a long message, and y'all want some TA. We got market open coming up, and we got a big week. We're almost through the end of the month. Ash, good morning. How we doing? You didn't miss the alpha 15-second TA. The only thing we've been talking about was Kimba posted an announcement in Discord last night. Mario, how we doing? Hope you have a nice day. Ash, I hope all is well. Shout out Stream Elements. Shout outs Nico. Shout outs Jedi's Kirk and all the YouTube Lions. And shout outs to Bobby Toxic Pedals. Let's get it. Yeah, it's pinned. Husey just put it on blast in here. Check it out. Make sure you head over to the dashboard and check out what's going on over there as well. You got the stream schedule. We got our juicy exchanges. Make sure that you hit that up. But we got some events coming on this week. We have the talent show tonight. We have another game show coming tomorrow. We got nerd outs on Thursday and Friday mornings. And I will be here for CPI on Friday. If they still have it. Lord of mercy. How many times are they going to delay that thing? They must be holding something back. They're just trying to hold the Lions down, aren't they? But it's right on time because we got FOMC next week. We getting rate cuts. Let's go. Shout out to CoinWise. Yeah. They just had another new video dropping this morning. I think it's being released in like 9:30 or now. It's coming up. Yeah, they had a whole single print series come out. You know your boy has got a little say in that. What you think about single prints? The math is the math. Trade into one. How do you think the probability is if we don't change structure once trading into one? It's kind of like gaps, isn't it? Kind of like gaps. Start trading into it. Get closes inside. High probability of filling. We broke structure up there. Those highs are not great. But the math is the math. And we have a lot of bad lows. Who just got filled? Who just got filled at the point of control? I'm not really liking these lows. I'm not blind in this. Kachoya. This is a very, very important pivot zone. 107, 108. Critical. And we were talking about it on Friday. Held below. Traded through it all weekend long. And flipped it to support. At 107.2 to 107.5. Yeah. Clearly it was an important area. Yeah. I think we need some music, don't we? Latisse. Or else you close your 104 long. That's if we lose the level Coke. If we lose the level, yeah, yeah, because really in higher time frame, it's if we don't get back up there, you know, that's previous all-time high. That 112 area. 110 is important. So it's kind of like the 113 to 114, the 110, the 107, and like it's a little bit iffier below. But 107 was a major pivot, and we've been talking about that Coke for well, 6 months, 8 months. Yeah, confirmation as resistance. Yeah. Yeah, I would say that there's a little bit more room to run, but if they don't come all the way up here to retest it, you know, that's even more bearish. Yeah, and running it up just on like a fat finger order when we broke that consolidation fail auction down here. That's fine. I don't like it as much when they do it before market open. Yeah. You know Lennon's likes a front run. I gotta shut my window. We got all kinds of business going on. Ugh. How's the music sound? Is it all right compared to my mic? Let's go, let's go, let's go. It sounds all right on my end, but you guys think it's good? Thank goodness I had a Lion sponsorship to get a new mic, don't you think? It's been a while, but some of the people that have been here for a while knew the pain of hearing Mandalo's voice coming through like a robot. Open the gates for the bulls. Yeah. What's going on with TradingView? Kachoya. What's going on? We're gonna test out something. I'm scared too. I'm gonna throw on Coinalyze just to see if I can fix TradingView. It's one Kachoya after another. Yeah, took out a couple of longs, liquidations. A little bit. So we might have some Bybit's just like long and long and long, and they got filled there. They're ready, but they're getting filled at the lows too though. Yep, get stopped out and then fill back up. OI is juicing. Oh, looks like TradingView is back. Thank goodness. All right, let's see. This is a risk. I haven't logged in today. Uh-oh. Oh, nice. Binance. Big data energy. How many of you have had heat maps on the past couple days and see these like these twofers parking around price? And it's really been the past couple weeks, especially on weekends and ETH. They're just like sandwiching price. It's not a new behavior. You don't see it all that often, though. How we doing, Glitch? Jamaica, Mark. Big cheers, Buzzo. Shoutouts to you, brother. Keep tapping previous low. Yeah, it's absorption until it's not. Yeah, and, you know, fancy that. We have a little dump and then we hold the low again. Yeah, in the higher time frame, I mean, this is, you know, a good area for it to be resistance. You know, that or this one maybe. You know, that's kind of the reason that that was a little bit of resistant, but that's pretty clean right there. Who was waiting for the sweep right up here? Yeah, especially after we got the closes above this. Right here. Yeah, that was a little trade right there, but they held those lows and then we're still holding them. It's good until it's not. Breaking structure up here is not the greatest, but you know, you can make an argument for a higher low. We got US market open in 10 minutes. We got CPI this week. Let's go, Chimp. Chimp in the building. Yeah, Ash, catch up. 120 days? What do you mean? It's gotta be testnet. That sounds amazing. I mean, he deserves it. I would be doing the same thing. You know, I love the Lions. I love them. But man, if I had the opportunity to do something like that, you know, what do you live in life for? Like, what do you do it all for? You need to enjoy it, right? Who would do something differently? TD? You want a little bit more volume? Our levels are moving heavenly. Of course you can. Of course you can. Come here. Great big hug and a great big kiss.
I can't get on you.
You are. Okay, big hug, big kiss.
No, I didn't stay.
Okay, big kiss. And daddy go work.
No, I just see the butter.
You. Oh, that hat. Here it is. Great big hug, great big kiss. We cannot start a day better. Right? Exactly, to my point. What do we do it for? Good morning, baby Mandalo. Good morning to you, Endo Lion. Nitrogen. Sebs, let's go. The math is the math for weed. Yes, but he said that he was going to be a little more active, or a lot more active. I wouldn't be surprised if we got a few, you know, impromptu streams sprinkled in. Keep your eyes on the dashboard. Family is the real juice, Bud Fox. Absolutely. Look at the buyback here. Look at that buyback. Who juicing? Y'all can't lose. Shout out to Bud Fox. How we doing? Yeah, nice pre-market Vala. Oh, I meant to get the prediction points in. Who wants some prediction points? Yeah, get them in quickly because we don't have much time. ETH was looking kind of rough yesterday, wasn't it? S&P, like, lordy. You know one of the best things about kids? They're walking petri dishes. Yeah, Zamil. It didn't. It didn't. Yeah, how's this gap gonna be? I was actually a little bit surprised, but I mean on a Monday, on a big news week, after options closed, you know, liquidity a little bit lower. I think today might be some more juice. And then Friday is going to be a lot of juice, I think. But every day is juice for the Lions. Used to be in mycology. Were you making medication with it? There's some really interesting... did you do research in it, or you just studied it? There's some really interesting research for, like, antibacterials and stuff. Y'all know that I'm a science nerd as well. Shout out Superman, how we doing? Shout outs to all the parents out there. Yeah, I'm struggling. Yeah, I would have loved to be here with you guys yesterday. You know what it is. Magical for weed. Yeah. Are you in the microdose train? Mandalo, it's nerd out time. It's nerd out time. It is. Shout outs to CoinWise. We got RTH, ETH gaps. We got TPO PVP. We have levels and settlement for last week and juiced up through ETH on Monday, Sunday through Monday. And now we're just trying to hold that. Exclamation CoinWise, we still got some of those CoinWise free trials are there. Check out those. Check out that suite of indicators. It's amazing. And then they have some juice education. And a whole lot more is coming. Yeah. Yeah, they got a whole single print series. 3 of the 4 videos within the next few minutes are gonna be up. Check them out. Now you're only into the greens. Heroic dose, not micro dose. Macro dose. Some good videos or explanation about VWAP. Well, Nikoi, Coinwise has some videos on VWAP, but I would just say that if you're not ready for all that, then you know, YouTube and of course the Discord. Yeah, there's so much there with VWAP. There's a lot to nerd out on. It's really cool though. It's a powerful tool in whichever way that you use it. Yeah, if you're using like the session-based VWAPs, if you're using daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, things that we can look at all with our Coinwise indicators. But also anchored VWAPs, which is just a trading view tool. Yeah, but ask anything. Yeah, we had a I don't know if we did a VWAP nerd out, but we have nerded out quite a bit on VWAP here and in PSG. Oh man, what are you thinking about these highs on S&P? Well, that looks good. But that doesn't. I thought they were gonna run it yesterday. They were so pushing so hard. Yeah, they pushed like right into the open and then just kept it. They sustained it. But comparatively at lower volume. For a Monday, it's lower volume than usual, but the options, the October OPEX was Friday. Coinbase spot Kobe, yeah, I heard that. 25 million. Fuck's sake. I mean, to be honest, he probably doesn't need it. And it was like, fuck it, I'll just do it for like some absurd number. I guess that'll be worth it. If you're just like chilling, you know, he's like a really, I bet you KIMBA knows him. Feel despair with alts. I mean, you know. We got 1 minute. They bought up only. Really? Yeah. That's insane. What are they thinking? Zamil, the plan is the plan, but hype is a very interesting one. Yeah, we got the open ding 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 ding. Yeah, let's watch a couple of minutes into this. We'll get our prediction points in, paid out, and then we'll go and look at some of the other coins. Yeah, I want to make sure that this dip is like, that's it for the dip. One shots, one mantra. They shout at the sip. Let's throw finger flip. KIMBA way no script. Just flow, just drip. It's all about the D. I need to turn my headphones sound down. Cando tap see later. Profit sweet like nature. It's all about the D. Peace they grow, no pressure.
Only math, no saviors. Only KIMBA forever.
Give it 1 or 2 hours, Zamil. Yeah, the initial balance is pretty important. They've been reversing after initial balance pretty often lately. Yeah, there was like 3 days last week that they did, I think.
Something's been missing inside me. No data, no edge, no clarity. I've been guessing in the dark too long. Without the math, I get it all wrong. Out of my depth, no plan in hand. No juice, no
Yeah, that's a no-brainer for him, isn't it, Lux?
yeah, when I ain't in that zone. I ain't myself,
I saw somebody saying like Seinfeld wanted like 20 million an episode and like Kobe's getting whatever. You know, good for him. Let's all do something that makes us worth 400 million. We don't worry about ourselves, right? The juice is the juice. Boogammas are looking heavy around 67.45 and higher. And for index, that's just a little bit higher than where we are. Look at that monthly VWAP bounce. Open right above it. Gap in the gap in the gap, gap, gap. Help me! We're like right at the 05 of the gap too. Of the big gap from yesterday. Yeah, I would expect to see if it makes it all the way up here, a little bit of resistance before it's closed. I would expect to see a little bit of support down here at the 107 area, 107, 108, 107.5. Got too many mice on the screen. Yep, these are CoinWise RTH gaps, and man, they are so good about updating, and if any bugs are experienced, and adding new features to some of these indicators. Yeah, it's juice. Okay, where was it going? Oh, rate cuts. Maybe see something around there. Yeah, settlement down here. And you got point of control like right at settlement, right at the gap fill. This tune. I know. Probby Diaz. How we doing? Let's go. Thank you for the resub. Let's go. XLR, how are we doing? Yeah. Hey Blade, let's go. Happy Tuesday. How you doing, brother? You have a good weekend? Shouts calling noob. Treasure Train, what is that? That's dope. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Burgates, Fredward, let's go. Thank you for the resub. 13-month streak. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Let's juice. Can't wait till the rate cuts start cooking for real. Yeah. Yeah, I feel ya. Me too. Dokkan, let's go. Opening in gaps, Ash, it provides a lot less clarity than it does to open with a gap. Yeah, we're just going on what it reacts with the immediate gap first, but it definitely is a lot less clear what will unfold. But you know what they say about more time spent within a gap, the higher probability it is to fill. So if we're trading in this gap and spend more time, if we don't start to, you know, turn that into support, the likelihood increases for like dip the tip. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen. Market just opened, but trading in the gap. Yeah, and there's some really cool gap fill strategies. Shout outs to the people who are playing gaps. I know that CoinWise has something coming out soon on gaps, or quite a few things actually. And they have a video on gaps, I think, on YouTube and on their page, exclamation CoinWise. Xenon, let's go. Year filled with up and downs. You know, it's not a year if we don't have ups and downs, right? But that's what makes the ups so sweet. Enjoy it when you have the ups. Blink in the chat, guess why we don't shut down, we're streaming. Lock the vault, it won't stop our scheming. Lost some fam, yeah, the pain was deepened. Posted up by the charts all night with a grip on the juice, no sleeping. Okay, let's go over to Biddy. We'll check back on this in a few minutes. I want to pay out the predictions. Yeah, it was red, wasn't it? First five. Yep. And then take it right back. No explanation needed, but chat still asks what the name is, trying to pretend they don't know who the gang is. Like every time I hop on stream, it don't beam in a dozen nations: Sweden, Norwegian, New Zealand, Australian, Arab, Armenian, even Asian. Yeah, they do go up, they go down. There was a lot of up this year though, wasn't there? I guess kind of. It was a rangy type of period. But it did go down and it went up a lot. We got like a 50K move this year. See me 24/7. Isn't it like the it's like a Texas exchange that they're gonna run it from, isn't it? Yeah, it's been a month or two since I was reading about that. Chauncey, let's go. Let's go. I need to like re-look into that. I've been kind of in my own zone lately. From early 2026, 83rd. Shout outs to you, brother. Good morning, Chauncey. How are you doing, brother? Kozar. Look at that. You just can't lose if you long that point of control. It's bullish until it's not. It's absorption until you start making lower lows. and they held it. Look at that KIMBA box. Who just like punted from the KIMBA box? For the new Lions KIMBA boxes, 618 to 786. It used to be a way that a lot of us looked at the charts. It was just a piece of confluence, but an interesting area to ladder orders. I would not recommend just blindly doing it. That was a previous strategy, but some of us still mix it in a little from time to time. Who was is that a 886? Was that a 92? That was like a 999, wasn't it? It was a 926, like to the pixel. Who got filled on that one? You degens. Clear and validation though. Held value area low. What are you gonna do? Don't be mad at me. Can't lose. Yeah, that was pretty cool, right? 83rd. 2026 is gonna be juice. But we still got a lot of 2025 left to go, and we are gonna juice the whole fucking time, right? Let's go. Mr. Larry's, big cheers. Yeah, there's some gap fill. Gap fill, but not mine. Shout out to Fred Word. Choo choo. Let's go. Yep, Christmas present, early morning, New Year. Moved down a lot too, though, Fred Word. It's a gigantic range. It's cool. Let's go. Jay Sucks, how we doing? Hope everybody had a great weekend, a great Monday. Game show was really fun. I'm excited to see that come back. Yeah, and Cypher's working on some big things with it, so stay tuned. It's going to be really cool. Yeah, if it's anything like the evolution of the talent show, it's going to be super juice. Talent show is awesome. Yeah, Gold's a Kachoy, Zamil. I mean, and it held that high. That's like, but I mean, that was Friday, wasn't it? Yeah, Friday into the options. Like, and wait a second, did we? What time was it? We were here. I streamed on Friday, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Yeah, and it just like kept on selling off through the day after the options, but it held that previous week VWAP, or there now. Who's in a gold thing? Who got filled on a gold thing? We were looking at this area too. The consolidation before the breakout. And then the next level that we were looking at was like a little bit lower, like here. We're kind of looking at that. It's so close to it, or it went so close to it. Yeah, but we said that whole like, even like the 4,000 zone would be an area of interest to hold. Yeah, Lux Slayer. It's been moving a lot though, hasn't it? You might get, even if it doesn't test it now, it might be interesting towards CPI at the end of the week and FOMC next week. We have like, what, 8 days until FOMC? Yeah, we got a big week next week. We got a big week next week. How's Dixie? Boy. Dixie looks like AS. But it swept on FOMC day. Broke structure. Is it gonna hold it? We're gonna get a higher high. A lot of people are not rooting for Dixie. And rightly so. Our box is strong! Exclamation, we strong. Baratina, let's go. Good morning. At 119. Yeah. Eve. Yeah, it's holding. I mean, just like it, Biddy, those lows are not great, but it's looking heavier for sure. And that's looking like a cleaner bearish retest. That's not looking great. We start getting some closes down towards value area low. It's looking pretty heavy. Yeah, maybe the maybe like the 3800 zone clean down here. Clean all that. Clean these.
Something's been missing inside me. No data, no edge, no
Heath likes that 886, 786 area, doesn't it? 3720. I like 3750 a little more. That's right at that previous value area low. You kind of run through that naked point of control. Yeah, but I'm gonna wait for Biddy to see what it does, because these lows aren't good either. From here. It's pretty close. And these ones certainly are not that good. So first area of interest, if we start losing this, would maybe be like in the 3800 area to clean all that. The naked point of control is interesting. Highs are bad. But you all saw what I meant with the retest. Oof. B&B is not looking too hot either. Holding that 1,000, never below 1,000 again. It's looking heavy also. I gotta just turn off TP at PVP. It's so juice, but when you're trying to look at a higher time frame, it's we got a lot going on. mostly clean chart. Previous resistance becoming support. You know, that nuke was pretty clean on a previous high. This one's trying to do the same thing here. But you had a lower high even with a swing fail. And lower lows. Biddy had lower lows too, by the way. Yeah, if you look at that daily structure. You know, I have my high time frame plan. I shared that with you last week a little bit. Got some things. And I'm exclamation prepared for anything. How about y'all? Let's go. I got a couple more iPads on now. Yeah, that was pretty good. I'm not really liking this through here. But it is kind of trying to break from that selling channel. It kind of did. Can you see the white a little bit better than the purple was before? Especially with like VWAPs and everything there. I'm gonna see that one. I don't like that as much, but I guess that's okay. Maybe in the hourly it'll look better. We got so much shit on here. I'm getting rid of this. Oh, it's because I got fibs on here. Yeah, that was golden pocket. Big data energy. Huh. That's terrible up here. Yeah, I think if we flip this like 1120 to 1150, 1160 is next. Nah, it just opens the door to start testing these highs and the previous VWAPs, the monthly and previous weekly VWAP. But this is looking heavy. Who's in some B&B? Hey, turn we gonna get it. Hitman Gucci, good morning. Let's go. Yeah, Hitman, I think that might happen at some point. There's always cycles. Dot, lordy. Yeah, but that was clean. And it flipped that level. It held it real nicely. But that's not too Gucci. Bouncing from previous week VWAP. Bro. Sui's holding better than some of the others. Soul's doing okay too. But, you know, other than perps, everything else, like, that 170 is just strong, isn't it? That 170, 172. That was the nuke that, from Friday 10 days ago, 11 days ago. And then we had a bunch of bad lows over here. Right there. Clean those ones. That's bad. That's bad. That's bad. Through here. And then, I mean, we just need to hold it. On the upside, instead of getting rejected from that 193, that 193 area, 192, that area that we had talked about for quite some time to be support that we bounced from. You know, I had it boxed out before. But that area here that we bounced from a couple weeks ago, need to flip it, not reject it. Does anybody not understand what I mean? It's not looking super great, Jamaica. And I'm not trying to like bear post or like doom post or hate on anything. I'm being objective with what I'm observing. I'm not even pulling up order flow. I'm just going on simple structure, and really that's like kind of the first way that you want to approach it. Yeah, don't get so caught up in all the details before you see like what the big picture is. Okay, we just ran through that playlist.
KIMBA gang's invincible. Useless lines records, bro. When I get to snapping like doo-wop, really
I kind of have a migraine. I like this song, but I'm gonna have to go to the next one.
where's my NFT? Yeah. Juice.
I think I didn't pick the right playlist for this morning. Yeah, I told you, kids, anybody with kids, they know that they're walking petri dishes. But I'm like off, feeling a little off. Damon, you said soul? Moon phases? Is it a new moon today, Fredward? I was out looking at the stars a little bit last night with baby Mandalo for a couple minutes. And I was like looking for the moon, but I didn't realize it was a new moon. I don't really pay attention to the moon phases. I used to. And it's helpful for like surfing in some cases. Yeah, with the tides and stuff, but I don't really put too much weight into it. I'm not like a super like astrological type of a person. Yeah, I'm not like super into that. Mrs. Mandalo is kind of into crystals and stuff though. Ask her about it. Are you nerding out on moon phases, Fredward? They have indicators for it, even in the charts. You can make some interesting arguments for it. Yeah, I looked into it like when I earlier in my TA days. Any of you had some good experience with moon phases? I forget which one it was. It was like full moons or something. It was more volatile. You did, Fredward. I know you're a man of science. Did you find anything? Yeah, nothing's 100%. Nothing is 100% except for Lions TA. Let's go. Shout out to CoinWise. When moon phases indicator. Let's put VWAP on moon phases. CoinWise is like, shut the fuck up. Let's go, CoinWise. Let's go, Buzzo. They're like, do not do this to us. Kachoya! Don't be mad at me. Gravity and mass and volume. And volume. Don't forget about that. It's one of the fundamentals of auction market theory and life itself. Oh, please no. For Edward, I would hope that they would develop something even juicier than moon phases. Yeah, and I know that they have some little things cooking up. And girth, Aurum. Woof. Welcome, Asta Rosta. And volume for Edward. Let's go. Influence our mood and women even more. Yeah. That's right. Hype. I mean, it's not looking super great either. Yeah, at least it's holding this $30 level. Yeah, I already had a profile on there. Oh gosh, I got Delta profile. I was doing something else. Yeah, it's holding that value area low. Barely. And that 39. I don't even know why I had that mark, but that's juice right there. It's like pixel. When did we do that? I think it was like here or something. This is supposedly day 27. It's almost like 2 full months of Mandalo in the mornings. Who's got your Halloween costumes ready for maybe some juice next week? I think I can see something spicy coming. Soon, soon, soon. It's spooky season. We got Halloween and monthly close next week. We got FOMC next week. We got CPI this week. After Friday, it's Saturday. After this week, it's next week. Exclamation dashboard for the full stream schedule. We have our first 30-minute close 4 minutes ago. Yeah, keeping the KIMBA gang going, keeping you up to date on the announcements. After Friday, it's Saturday. And the juice TA, after $39, it could be 40 or it could be 38. You know, you see why I have 400,000 followers on X, and Coinbase didn't offer me 400 million. CPI was affected by a shutdown on 83rd. They delayed it. It was supposed to be last week. Oh, yes, Fredward. We already have done 2 Halloween things for them. Maybe, I don't know. I think Mrs. Mandalo has done a couple more than that. Yeah, but since like the beginning of the month, Baby Mandalo's been dressing up. Like most kids, Baby Mandalo likes dinosaurs. And so she's got a dino costume. I'm gonna dress up like Jurassic Park. I think I'm gonna be John Hammond because I had the beard. You know, the original Jurassic Park, like the good one. I'm gonna be John Hammond. Mrs. Mandalo. We gotta find an Asian character in it, but she can like pull off, I guess, Ellie, the girl scientist, and then Baby Mandalo is going to be the Triceratops, and Baby V2 is going to be a big pile of shit. Oh, that is one big pile of shit. John Hammond's not the ethical hacker. He's the main dude. He was the grandpa. Yeah, I'm gonna be the old dude. No. Oh yeah, we're starting to bounce a little bit. Let's go. Oh, I'm looking at 5 minutes. Yeah, that buyback. Who juicing? People are like, oh, but you didn't get it near. Tau 400. I mean, Tau, like, that's strong. Retook that point of control test. Yeah, that's not super great right there, but still holding up here. That's pretty good. Yeah, just gotta have Bitcoin behave. Yeah, Sam Jackson was funny in it. Newman from Seinfeld, I don't know what his name is, but he was funny. That's like the classic. If you've never seen the original Jurassic Park and you like those type of movies, that's a good one. The book was even better, to be honest. They made a book out of that. You dressed up for a turd for a carnival? That's awesome. Yeah, Baby Mandalo has been making turds out of Play-Doh. It's pretty funny. Dennis? Fredward? Yeah, Dennis. Newman. If you don't know what Seinfeld is, then get caught up. Exclamation rewind. Juicebox, let's go. Yeah, I would like to see. It's in KIMBA's den, Chaplain. Exclamation Discord. Yeah, check the pin. Fill in 98er. Is that the class that you graduated, Zamil? Anytime I see Dennis now, I just think of Sonny. Let's get our TPO PvP back on. Do I have my TPO pointy controls in? I do not. Oh, it should be. Where is it? TPO and volume pointy control has been pretty well correlated, except for this day. That was a big move, though. You wider range, sometimes they spread out more, but a lot of times they're pretty closely aligned. Yeah, they're gonna come and clean this. Let's go look at boomers. Oh, it maybe isn't a dip the tip. I don't have that 108. Know you see the juice, fam. Please say something. Wine by the glass, we toast games, huh? They gotta move off our midday, huh? This is KIMBA, not clout. Yeah, so I guess ES and S&P filled the gap, and then hold in the single print. Juice. Juice. Longers, I'm rooting for you. Rules, let's go. Good morning. This is Crake Rules. It's Crake. We got in the hype thing. Yeah, we said there to there. Interesting.
Cost me some hours, but man, it's worth it. Wise lion flex, we do this on purpose.
Let's see, where's our high for index? Keep that marked. It's so close and it's so bad up there. Fib math, let's go. Good morning. Gap fill and go, maybe. Yeah, we still have some more gap to fill above as well. We're like gap and gap and gap, gap, gap. And then another one. It's like... It's too easy. It's just too easy. So we're like, what the fuck are you talking about? What the hell are you guys talking about? Yeah, this is not great. That's not great. That's not great. We got a whole lot of bad highs. Got some bad lows. I mean, it's indecision time. We got CPI on Friday. We got FOMC next week. We got monthly close coming up, and options have already expired. I would venture a guess that even after FOMC, we'll see some good action the rest of the week because you got monthly close. Yeah, and Deribit monthlies. I think that there's a lot of open interest in, more than usual for a monthly. And that's pretty cool that monthly closes on a Friday this year. Who's going to be here grinding and trading on Halloween night for monthly close? I know, it's like inconvenient when it's like that, isn't it? Rule, smack the VWAP. Yeah, weekly. And ETH. Yeah, we got that single print up there. Make it look a little bit better so there's some room here. Yeah, single prints on these charts are bluish white, just because the RTH, ETH gaps, the bull gaps are green, and it looks too much like the single prints, so I changed it. Competition goes to celebrate, but we grind in Halloween. There we go. Yeah, I'll be honest, I'm probably going to take baby Mandalo trick-or-treating, but thank goodness 8 o'clock is bedtime, and I'm going to be watching that close and right here with the gang. Maybe not like right here. Streaming, but, you know, we never know. Next week is going to be juicy as hell. Hegemonia. Exclamation Discord. He did post in there. I don't know if you saw it. He said he was taking 120 days. But I would suspect that you're going to see a little bit more of him when he's back closer to a good connection. Yeah, so I would think that you'll see a little bit more of him before that anticipated date. Yeah, but read it. Read it. It's pinned. And Buzzo said Discord. Yeah, check it out. What's up, all pair? Alpeasy, let's go. It's been a while. I've been thinking about you guys lately. How's things going for you? You juicing? Yeah, things are good for me. Thank you. Let's go. What's new with you, brother? Yeah, Mark Alpeasy. That boy is calling me Indamakin Sue. Housty. Sup, dude? How we doing, Housty? I feel you, Alpeasy. Yeah, I'd slowed down a little bit. I've been like swing trading a lot more. But, I mean, it's okay. It's refreshing, actually. Yeah, scalping is fun, but it's like, it's a grind. So respect to everybody that is like chasing every single golden pocket. Look at that single print fill. This is juice. Alpeasy, you in anything? Every single golden pocket, like 5-minute golden pockets. Although this KIMBA box this morning was fucking juice. Yeah, that was pretty nice. Yeah, on Biddy. On spot at least. It was like point of control and the 7.5, 7.86. Point of control. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Let's go, Alpeasy. Let's go, Coke Zero, back on track. Let's go. Is it wrong to be in a long? Thanks for stopping in, Alpeasy. You got anything that you want to see? We kind of TA'd a lot of altcoins and a little bit of Biddy. Oh, and we did gold also. But I'm happy to go through anything if you want to see it. Yeah, it's been a while, brother. I'm glad to hear you're doing well. Hopefully the mental reset. You had a good vacation, didn't you? I know he juicing. Big cheers. Yeah, we're still here. We're still grinding, keeping it real. You know we'll hold it down for you. And we're here anytime that you can stop in. Thank you for coming by. Big cheers, brother. Big cheers. Much love. Alpeasy. OG. You see that? He's a true ninja. You see that badge? All of us can one day hope to get that badge. Hughesy's got one. Yeah, he's been here for a long time. OG. Big cheers. Luxslayer. Let's go. Curvies, how we doing? I'm Sin. Yeah, we got some really juicy things going on, Alpeasy. Yeah, the game show, I don't know if you were able to see it over the summer when Cage and the boys were developing it, but it's being brought some new life, and Cyper hosted it yesterday. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Yeah, he's got some things that he's working on with it. But shout outs to the whole team holding it down. Talent show's been super fun. Game show, new life, loving it. Yeah, I'm excited about that. Coinwise, have you, Alpeasy, have you tried the Coinwise indicators? They're nice, really nice. We've been juicing with it, sniping levels. And then they got some juicy education coming out. Not that you need it. Not that our Lions need it. But they got some really juice education rolling out. Yeah, they got a whole series on single prints being dropped, and they have one come out today. Yeah, a whole lot of stuff in the works, I know. Yeah, it's no rush, Alpeasy. Don't mess with your de-stressing time, or your like just kind of walkabout. But if you wanted to just like kind of tinker around with some of the indicators, they have 2 week free that you can just like kind of play with them and see if you like it. Not to like set the hooks in you to get you addicted or something. But if you're like playing around with the charts at all, then it's pretty cool. Yeah, we've been loving the indicators. Baby Mandala is going good. V2 is like 2.5 months old and actually sleeps better than V1. Yeah, it's the code thing for the 2 week trial is at exclamation Coinwise. I'll just type it in. Yeah, V2. Yep. Yeah, it's going well. Yeah, I got our first smiles in the past week or two, so that's pretty cool. But he sleeps better than the first one, so it's pretty gnarly. But it's good. Everything good for you otherwise? I hope you're enjoying yourself. Yeah, de-stressing. I did a little de-stressing yesterday. I caught a surf session on my lunch break. Yeah, it took an hour. I know, dude. I know. It's been that. Yeah, time flies. It's crazy. I know, I was like thinking about it yesterday or the day before, I can't remember, but I was just like, dude, not that long ago, you were like, not even, like, Mama Mandala wasn't even pregnant. It's like, not even a year later. Yeah, we didn't even know. We didn't even know until like Christmas last year. It's insane. How much upside? I mean, if we flip 110 into support, then significant. I would venture. I would say 114, 113, 114 is obvious resistance. You know, somewhere around the previous month VWAP to monthly open would be interesting if we were able to flip this zone. Otherwise, maybe just a swing fail in the 112 area would be just kind of a structural area of interest. Yeah, I already had it marked. I just had it all hidden. Yeah, and I said we front ran that retest of this. Yeah, maybe it just taps the naked point of control and fails for another lower high and weak high. We'll let the future confirm. Yeah, but that was pretty good for 15-second recap of some confluence that I'm looking at, I think. And that's not even looking at all of this, but we had a lot of longs just pile in on that breakout. A lot of loans pile in. And shorts were closing at the lows. Yeah, we pulled up EXA. There wasn't anything like definitive. Refuse to lose. That's right. Juice, juice, juice. Much love, Alpeasy. Thank you for dropping in. Yeah, look forward to seeing you again. See you in the books, brother. Yeah, enjoy your hiatus. It's great to see you. Big cheers, brother. Alpeasy. OG. OG. Let's go. Big cheers. Coke Zero, 110 support, then 112 incoming. Yeah, 110 support, then 110 100s incoming, right? Yeah, I think so. I agree with that. Crystal Guild Wars, let's go. Coke is just like quietly dropping juice. Always juicing in PSG. Yeah. He's the hardest worker. It won't let you know it. But your boy Coke Zero is always juicing. Anonium, big cheers. Absolutely. I love being here. I wish I could be longer. I have so much like IRL work that I just have to have some kind of balance. I would love to be here all day with y'all. Just juice up, nerd out. You know, wait for our targets to be hit. Wait for some papinks. Just trying to juice your life. Just trying to juice our lives. Now, is this gonna mess it up or is it gonna... Oh, we just gotta get... I know, swollen. Well, I mean, I just said that I got 2 babies. I know. Yeah, I was about to, and then like Mrs. Mandalo was pregnant again. I'm like, motherfucker, now I gotta have insurance for a little bit longer. But it's alright. It's alright. That's what it's all for, is really to be able to juice with the lions and juice with the family and chill. Yeah, so much for that, for real, swollen. How you doing? Yeah. You know, just work as hard as we can, try to enjoy the journey, and you know, have those goals. Have those goals. I don't need a Bugatti, I just need more time. More time. That's great. I'm glad to hear it, swollen. Yo, Pasoto. JV. I just saw like Il Pasoto saying that he's like genius IQ. I'm interested in this convo now. I can't even see. Oh. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised that that's the case. Il Pasoto. But you have to like kind of look at it, other than like the parents, like maybe life position, that they have more time to interact with a single child than after the second one is born. You know, kind of their focus is shifted a little bit. So it makes sense. Yeah. And, you know, all parents are like, oh, my child is advanced. Or like, you know, some parents are like, my child's fucking retarded. But to me, I feel like baby Mandalo is pretty advanced. She's doing well. She's like reading and like barely 3. My bus is called autism. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah. Read and write. Yeah, she's like doing a little bit of writing, but her drawing is pretty nice, and she's like learning to read. It's pretty good. Not that I have much reference, but yeah, Nookie, no green Bugatti. I mean, that's cool, but I just think about what that can do. You know, it's just a thing. I don't like really going places to flex. I don't care. I'm old enough to not care. I'm married and stuff, so like Mrs. Mandalo doesn't care. I already did the job there. It's all about time. I see KIMBA with his you know, with his kind of perspective with that. Yeah, that has a big part to do with it, I think. Yeah, having the time to yep. Yeah, and I'm not like a city person either, so like I would rather have like a monster truck or something, but like I really just don't care about cars. I used to be like a big car person too. Yeah. I am a glutton for real estate though. So, you know, that's guilty pleasure. Yeah, I'd say if I was like rich enough, I would probably collect cars. But like I don't really care about like just having like a brand new Bugatti or something. Yeah, we have a friend that collects Porsches. He has like a whole warehouse full of them. Yeah, it's fucked up. Green Garden, Green Bugatti. Yeah, it's not Seinfeld either. Yeah, gotta hold this. Yeah, we got initial balance up here. Has concluded. Kind of the plan is if we start to flip this value area, you know, we rejected that, basically the point of control of that range. We really need to, you know, we'll see like from where we came up here and from to where we lost it. God damn it, these Delta candles. God, it's hideous. That is so hideous. Yeah, value area low. And it's right in that point of control as well. I can't even like bear to look at that. It's hard for me to even look at like a solid candle. Shoutouts Damon, shoutouts PSG, shoutouts J-Bucks. Let's go. As above, so below. How we doing? Trading is difficult. Where should you start? Exclamation dashboard is a great place. So I don't know if it works in YouTube. But KIMBA.tv. There we go. Thanks, Buzzo. Sammy, how we doing? Stick around. We have in the exclamation YouTube, which you are there, but in our YouTube channel page, we have 3 years of stream highlights full of knowledge and yeah, CoinWise shouting it out. That's juice. over on YouTube. But there's a lot of highlights that are very helpful. Exclamation Discord. We have an amazing Discord community, and lots of trading exchanges that we have partnerships and deals with, and it can save money on going in, but it is a difficult thing. It is a very difficult thing. It's a huge industry, and the most important thing is to start slowly and learn and learn. And this is a great place. I couldn't think of a better place to do so. We're as a community, really kind of our mission is to learn and improve, and we work together on a lot of things, a lot of the journey. The Discord's amazing for that. The streams are really great for that. There's giveaways periodically. Sometimes it's heavier than others. We got a juicy week coming up. The dashboard that CoinWise for you put the link up for, that has our stream schedule for live streams, and we have a whole lot of those recordings and nerd outs and the like. And then we have Exclamation CoinWise has a full education platform that is growing, and they have indicators for the charts like what you're seeing on the screen, because normally if you don't have any of the indicators visible, a trading chart looks kind of like naked. You got volume, and you got candles. Maybe you have like lines and you're like, okay, like you check it on your phone and on like Google or something. Maybe Band-Aid, yeah, I will. You got volume and you got candles, and that's it. I don't even know which one I just turned off. Oh, I know what I can do. I'm not trying to discourage you as above, so below. I'm trying to encourage you. And a lot of us have learned lessons the hard way about the difficulty of trading. So start slow, start small. And the real idea is to stay in the game long enough to build your confidence and your execution, so you're not gambling. A lot of people feel that itch for gambling through trading, or maybe subsidize that itch, and that is not a winning strategy. You aren't gonna beat out people with millions and billions of dollars and complex algos by just throwing darts at the wall. So the only thing that you can do is improve your edge through learning and working hard. Yeah, you should. Enjoy it. It's a great place. There's so many amazing traders in there as well. It's a great time. Yeah. Yeah, it can be a literal gamble, but really, you know, when you figure out that it's a lot of math and analysis, it doesn't have to be as hard as you kind of like make it out to be when you see just a busy screen. Just the pieces will start to fall in place. The pieces gradually start to fall into place, and that's really what I mean by you know, you just need to stay in the game for long enough to have that happen, because when it does, then you can really find a lot of success with it. But you know, you get a couple of good trades and all of a sudden you decide that you want to get rich or build your account. People get rich through trading, absolutely, but it's not like a get rich quick lottery type of a deal. It's kind of doing the same thing as gold is, isn't it? Maybe Band-Aid. Yeah, let me get it on one of the tickers that actually have volume. I mean, that's not looking super great, but, you know, maybe it cleans this. Are you in it or you're looking to get in? Maybe. What are you looking at? Are you looking at this area? Bullish retest? Are you looking at just a structural swing fail? Those highs are terrible. I mean, gold did that too, though, didn't it? Your ATP, are you short? Or you're in a long from down here? Golly, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at that yearly VWAP. That's juice, maybe. You gonna add? Yeah, if it starts like getting closes down here, maybe it like will come back down to like previous month VWAP or something. Let's see this whole range. Wow, one that has not like, fuck's sake, dude. That looks like a shit coin, doesn't it? That was a good entry. That's crazy. You could say that that was probably an important level. That's nice. Yeah, right there. That's so funny. Quite rough. I'm just trying to box out my structure and like process it a little bit better with those highs. Wow, that was really nice. Very clean down there from those previous levels and from this consolidation area. Let's see where it broke out from there. I'm gonna go into the daily. I had 3-day maybe. That'll fit better. From our break, we'll just go impulse. Golly, I cannot look at this god dang fixed range. Yeah, accepting back inside's not great. I don't think that it unless things get like super bearish, that it'll go back to the bottom of our box and value area low. It's really interesting how that's very value area low, isn't it? Even for the move. I'm gonna go from here as well. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Like this area, if it pulls back harder and isn't like a sweep, that's not looking super great. This little guy. Where my KIMBA's at? Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to last much longer, but you kind of see him like a little thing here. It's looking nice. Let's go, Sophia. How we doing?
But you know we a threat. Let the Kimbas loose. Who's gonna rise with me? Kimba gang.
Get rid of that pink one.
Day every day.
Yeah, I feel you. Maybe. Yeah. Dick Flex, how you doing? How you doing? J-Bucks. Is it really that that severe, Lux? Let me look.
Kimba gang, pull the trigger. Money in the air, chart spinning, racks flipping, seeds
No way.
everywhere. Squeezing kimchi out the block.
Ooh wee.
From the jungle to the globe. Lions run the game. Watch the Bitcoin.
Wow.
100K in sight. Jerome H. Powell making history.
I mean, we knew that this was like,
We stacking up them racks, 6 figures turning 7.
dude,
Looking back, we the market.
is that where we TA'd it?
These scenes, flexing in
We TA'd it like before the open, didn't we?
Kimba gangs, the squad.
Or right into the open, and we were like, maybe this?
Ambition intertwined. Hold on,
That got swept.
COPYTRADE with finesse.
Look at that.
Squeezes profits tight, put his skills to the test.
Point of control, naked points of control, and structure right below this.
Doing our best. PSG's
Interesting. Lux, did you get filled, or are you still at the train station?
rise like the weather. Kimba's
That's crazy.
king of the pride. Showing all the
Who's juicing on a gold short? Holy shit.
market made, 'cause we run these scenes. Flexing in our Bugattis, living like kings and queens. Kimba gangs, the squad. We hustle and grind, never settling down.
Acting, let's go.
Luxurious
Yeah, I feel you.
opportunity. We
Yeah, I got some gold teeth, so I'm juicing somehow.
trading Koreans, liquidate the game. Kimchi on our plates, but we ain't taking shame. Crypto kings,
Let's go, Damon.
but they never win. Coco praying hard,
That is on his ID, Damon.
goes down, family all in. When Kimba sends the PSG, you know
It
it's
is.
about to begin.
It is as above, but man, I tell you,
Never backing down. We taking off
it is stressful. So it's not really the pressure that you want to put on yourself to count on trading to put food on your table and keep a roof over your head, because needing to take a trade to be able to eat is you know, the kind of opens the door to making less logical or patient decisions. But it absolutely is. It's just something to work up to. I would say most of the Lions, even if they are trading full time, they have another source of income at least. Yeah, even if it's passive income and they're able to be on the charts. Juice, Coke. How's that working out? How is that working out? Kimba box. It's too easy. It's gotta be testnet. Way more. I feel you. Yeah. Yeah, those highs aren't great. Sorry to hear it, brother. Get him on the next one. Yeah, and as above, you can have all the tools in the world, but you have to know how to use them. So kind of work your way up and get comfortable with different ones. Give the CoinWise ones a shot when you're ready, especially because they have free ones. But you know, just kind of be a sponge for knowledge and absorb as much as you possibly can. Anytime that you can make free time to learn more, you can use it to your benefit. That's like one of the best things about this is, you know, even like one little nugget of knowledge, and it can directly improve your game. It's juice. Yeah, it's one of those like really cool things too, that there is not perfection. It's not possible. There can always be improvement. There is no such thing as a perfect golfer. There's no such thing as like perfection in many walks of life. And that's like one of the draws to it, is there's always like the improvement and progression. And the work and the dedication to it, it really is rewarding. Yeah, some people thrive in that environment, I-19. Yeah. And I'm not trying to discourage you that say you can't perfect it. Nobody can perfect it. That's like kind of a really cool thing about it, is you can always improve. It doesn't get boring. Next level, we locked in. Way more you on that 4 a.m. bounce, Soul and Biddy, juicing. Let's go. So you're juicing. He juicing. Who juicing? Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation merch. Exclamation coinwise. We juicing. Shout outs to you, Blaze Alec. Manaka. Now back to 4,200. What, on ETH or gold? Yeah, Zamil. Yeah. Let's see boomers. Rooting for you. Rooting for you, maybe. Yeah, is S&P gonna just take that? It did clean that bad low, but... Or no, it didn't. Fuckers. Are they gonna clean the highs, or are they gonna turn it into a support? It's looking strong. Even though it's lower volume. Look at that. Juice.
Yo, we ain't doing this for nothing. Blood, sweat, tears, whole lot of long nights. If you ain't willing to lose it all, you ain't built for this. KIMBA gang, we juicing the fuck up.
Came up out the mud, had to boss up. Late night, stomach hurt, but I ain't lost trust. Kept my mind on the bag, kept my feet on the gas. Told my brother stay solid, we ain't never looking back. Block hot, but my vision cold as
Yeah, I gotta hear this one before I sign out, but I'm fixing to leave. I gotta wrap up, y'all. Yeah, Biddy's on a roll, Dick Flex. Yeah, going for these highs. That is bad, bad, bad up there. Yeah, so equally down here. Maybe even more so up here. Ugly. Those are no good. And then all the way up to this naked point of control. And then these are bad too at 114. But kind of our first level is to flip 112. So if it's a swing fail here, you know what time it is. Maybe it like kind of grinds around the 110 area. S&P. We just ride the charts. Big cheers, Kozar, Mr. Larry. Yeah, so if it swing fails, I would still like kind of look at this whole zone to be an area of support until you start making a lower low, you know. It's kind of like with the movement that we have going on right here, it could just be like this and go for 114. Or it could be a swing fail and grind through here, but you would have to like lose that to start looking at these lows again. I'm not thinking about those lows. I want a reaction, and we just are taking these highs right now. With strength and volume. Like, look at that volume here. Didn't want to do that. Yeah, look at that increased volume. Of course, it's during U.S. market session. RTH is helping. Look at that CVD. Got some longs piling in. Yeah, I'm wondering about our good old. I gotta open it first. Yep. Starting to get some licks coming in. How do you like Bybit closing through this move? And then some shorts are starting to get stopped out, but we got some shorts from lower. Yeah, we got about, well, I'll come back to here. It's really not that bad because like we're kind of in that area right now. Maybe yeah, like 28 million. That's not that much from those lows. And then from lower, it really wasn't that much yesterday. Yeah, that's a glitch that's saying billions. It's really not much at all. Shorts underwater. Let's go from here. Yeah, 27. It's not that much. So it's like net longs and shorts are not really giving us all that much guidance. Yeah, it's pretty interesting though. Like, you see this? What's that look like to you? Yeah, look at that CBD. Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. It's got to be testnet. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's too easy. Bite sore. Let's go. 98 Bad Bunnies. Kozar, have a good rest of your day. Bite sore. Shout out to you, brother. We'll wait for the data for sure. For sure. This is looking strong. Going into the hourly close above. You know what that looks like. It looks like they might be going for that next level. And go over to Boomers to wrap it up. To see this hourly. S&P. Lordy. It's so over. It's so over. Psych, we're gonna gap up and take all-time highs first 2 days of the week. Do not mark it long. I don't know that, but it's sure looking pretty solid. You have hourly close above consolidation near these highs. We do have a lot of big gammas up here. So are they going to pull it up to get filled or TP'd or what? Is this going to be the high of the week on Monday and Tuesday? Or was yesterday the low of the week? Only time will tell, but it's looking pretty good right now. So, immediate term, look what happens in an hour at that start of New York lunch, the 4-hour close. If it tucks back in, that's less confidence in the move continuing, but it doesn't mean that it's over. I'm not thinking that is like, for bears. I think that might be like your first area that for me, I would maybe start paying more attention, unless we get a strong swing fail up at like 114. Yeah, we just got an hourly close above the level. And we not only flipped that zone that we had talked about last week, the one like the 107 area, and retested it. We failed, it came back and held it and juiced off of it. You know, it gave us time there. That's an important pivot. So you got to get back in the range first and foremost if you're bearish, and then you know, start making lower lows. It's like a Kimba's back kind of candle. Everybody was like, Kimba just posted, we get single prints and fucking let's go. It's juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 130. It's gotta be testing that, it's gotta be testing that, it's gotta be testing that. Bugatti. Bugatti. It's too easy. Don't be Mario. Oh, you didn't catch up? Exclamation rewind. We got 3 years of this. We've been planning for this for days, weeks, months. Yeah. Yeah, exclamation Discord, A Timmy A. Yeah, he posted last night. Yeah, we nerded out on that a little while ago. But I'm out of here, y'all. I'm out of here. Thanks for joining me this morning. Great times with y'all. I missed you. That was like the longest time it's been for me not streaming for these past couple days in months. Big cheers, Curvies. Yeah, it was weird. That first weekday that I didn't stream. God, man, IRL work is brutal right now, but hopefully you know, coming up soon. Yeah, with Nerd Love. Yeah, hopefully coming up soon I'll be able to spend more time with y'all. And we got 3 days this week. We got some juice coming. Exclamation dashboard. Sign up for the exchanges and check out the schedule. We got some juice coming later today. With the talent show, we have the revitalized game show coming up tomorrow. We got nerd outs on Thursday and CPI Friday. Yeah. And then I think we have a talent show or just a vibe session on Friday afternoon. Yeah, but check out the full schedule in there. You know, I'm not like the promoter for the schedule. Just check out the dashboard. Check out the dashboard. Check out CoinWise. They still have some of the promotion codes for their suite of indicators. They also have some juicy education. Another video just dropped today, a little while ago. And then they got another one coming out on Thursday, I think. That's what I hear. And then a whole bunch of juice next week. We got Halloween monthly close at FOMC. It's every day. It's a holiday. Let's go. Much love to you all. Lil X, Spanky, shout outs to you. Thank you for the resubs. Emil. That's why you haven't been here too much? Yeah. You've been in here for our things most of the time though, right? Yeah, miss you, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna try and do as much as I possibly can with y'all. And hopefully you guys have been enjoying it. Even if I'm not Kimba. Hopefully you're getting something out of it. Even if it's just vibes and different songs. Big cheers. Big cheers. We're holding this so far. Back test it. Yeah, is that like a pixel perfect back test of the level? It looks pretty close to it. right there. Pixel. It's Pixel fucking it is. Stay Gucci Magootsy, Dick Flex. You do the same. Much love. Shoutouts maybe Band-Aid, Busalo. Let's go, Busalo. Juice up. I hope you all juice. Let's effing juice, Mr. Larry's. Fib Math. Big cheers. Thank you, Fib Math. Big cheers. PSG. Shoutouts PSG. Stand up. They're juicing every single day. Grinding. Juicing. Putting the work in. Yeah, much love, PSG. Much love, Damon. Wazaloo! Exclamation Discord, check it out. He just posted yesterday about it. JV, let's go. Pipeline. Ludo, Curvies, Namgod, SC. Shout out to Housty. Catch you later. Glitch, taking profit. Big cheers. Way more, much love. Juice up, as above, so below. I hope to see you in the Discord, brother. Welcome to the community. Big cheers. Hakan, TD. Yep. For real, TDW. Shadow Dancer, let's go. Mighty T-Man. Much love. Y'all have a great day. Catch you maybe in the talent show later. This is Juice. Yeah, I said 112 comes, 112, 100's next. That 113, 677 is an important level. Is it going to swing fail? Is it going to just keep Bugatti testnet juicing? We'll wait and see. We're not market longing this. Big cheers, y'all. I'm Sin. Have a wonderful day. Much love. And I'll see you on the next one. Yo! Shout out to all the mods, admins, developers, and big love to KIMBA as well. Big cheers. Yeah, shout out to all the OGs. All the lions, all the grinders. Much love. 98 Bad Bunnies. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shout out to Housty. Shout out to Cage. Let's go. Shout out to Buzzo. Shout out to Chauncey. Shout outs Cyper, MGK, Tiki. Shout out to Coin Nerd. Calling Noob. Big cheers. Ready. Big cheers. Gypsy, big cheers. Shouts Tyler. Manaka, J-Bucks. Much love, Paper Bell. Liam. Yep, you have a good day too. Y'all have a great, juicy day. Let's fucking go. Much love, y'all. Alright, later. Peace out. If you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap the shit at ya. Later. Unleash. Let's go. Much love.
It's Mandalo.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey's just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.